Up and onwards from here, yeah. I think I've always tried to prove my directors that I can act. Akshay sir is going to do the cameo. I was very excited because I knew that now I'm going to play a comic role with Akshay sir and to play his Mumu. I think I'm very satisfied.
Hi everyone, I'm Pooja from Bollywood Life. We all have that one friend, who always ends up in bizarre situation. In Maddox's horror comedy universe, it's Jana. Like no matter what he does, he's always in trouble. But despite everything, he's always there for his friends. And I think that's why we all love Jana so much. But I think we wouldn't have loved him so much without Abhishek Banerjee's adorable performance. So I am here with him today and we are going to talk to him about Stree 2, Jana and much more. Hi Abhishek, welcome.
Hi Pooja, how are you? How are
I'm
you
good.
feeling?
How are you? Firstly,
Yes.
congratulations.
Thank you.
Stree 2 को जो response मिला
Thank
है,
you, thank you.
it's incredible. And
Yeah.
from Jana in Stree, then JD in Bhediya, and now again Jana in Stree 2. How do you see your journey in this horror comedy universe?
It's amazing यार, it's amazing कि मुझे इतना बड़ा मौका मिला. पहली बात तो कि I could, I mean, Maddox and Amar Kaushik, they gave me the opportunity to perform as Jana. बहुत ही प्यारा इंसान है, बहुत ही प्यारा कैरेक्टर है, दोस्तों के लिए कुछ भी कर सकता है और उसका चक्कर में हमेशा वही जो है मुसीबत वाले सिचुएशन में फंस जाता है. I mean, I think we all need a Jana in our lives, right? Who we can trust and who will always be standing beside us no matter what's wrong with his life. And I'm very happy and lucky that I could play this part. And also there's a lot which I derive from my own life. मैं बचपन में जना जैसा ही था, अभी भी हूँ, मैं ओनली चाइल्ड हूँ अपने माँ बाप का, तो मुझे जैसे कहते हैं दोस्त जो है मेरी फैमिली जैसे हैं और मैं उनके लिए कभी भी कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ. मैं बहुत बार पंगे में फंसा भी हूँ क्योंकि दोस्तों की वजह से. तो या आई थिंक आई रिलेट to Jana a lot and the kind of the love audience has been showing. Thank you यार, मतलब मैं क्या ही बोलूँ, मतलब इतना प्यार देने के लिए आप लोगों को मेरा बहुत सारा प्यार. अगर मेरे पास बहुत सारे दिल होते मैं सबको देता यार, एक ही दिल है बट.
And a lot of attention is given to Stree ka power या सरकटे का power, and then in the movie also Shraddha is more focused on Vicky तुम अपने अंदर की ताकत को जगाओ, but then there's Jana. He is the connector between Stree and Sarkata and
Yes.
the world outside.
Yes.
He has like, I'm sure people must have noticed, but I don't know, there are discussions not happening, but usko bhi power hai. He also has this superpower. So now that you have this power, what do you think will be the journey for Jana in this?
I think
universe?
now Jana can just, मुझे लगता है Jana will keep jumping between realms and that's a very exciting thing that I can see what's happening from a distance. And सच में मैं संजय हूँ, मतलब इस पूरे यूनिवर्स का. And I think in the future will be that one day Jana will be sitting and chilling with all the superheroes and supervillains of the world and just doing bakchodi. I think everybody trusts him, even villains love him. Stree ने मतलब जिसे कहते हैं, she gave him some power and she is supposed to be a demon in the first part. But I mean, मतलब इतना प्यार जब दोस्तों से मिल जाए और चुड़ैलों से मिल जाए और भेड़िए से मिल जाए और सरकटे से मिल जाए तो और क्या चाहिए भाई लाइफ में.
You're also the key link between Stree and Bhediya and this universe. And credit scene में हम लोग ने देखा कि तुमको दिल्ली जाना है and then you have been warned अरे वहाँ पे तो vampire है. So I'm hoping, like let's assume कि आप वहाँ पे भी हो. So you are like the connector कि यहाँ से वहाँ, यहाँ से वहाँ. Knowing, having so much knowledge and being able to see कि दूसरी दुनिया में क्या हो रहा है. Do you think that you will be the super villain one day?
Oh, that's a great idea, yeah. I mean, I think Amar Kaushik, you need to hear this out. Why not? I can be the super villain. Jana as a super villain will be interesting. But देखते हैं, because I don't know what plans do they have and किस तरह से कहानी बुनी जाती है. But I know one thing for sure that Jana, every time he's going to come in any universe, you guys are going to have a lot of fun because जो भी पंगे होने वाले हैं उसके साथ होने वाला है. So let's see vampire उसका खून चूसता है या नहीं चूसता.
And looking back at your career, from rejections to doing supporting roles to now playing villains and like being such a key essential part of a horror comedy universe, how do you look at your career today? Like, are you satisfied? How do you feel?
Yeah, up and onwards from here, yeah. I think I've always tried to prove my directors that I can act. I've always tried to tell the audience that I'm always going to give you something which is new, which is relatable, and something which you have never seen before. And I'm very happy that I'm able to attain that through my performances. And I hope and wish that I keep getting the love and support from you and the filmmakers alike, so that I can be an actor for life. That's what my dream is, that I want to act till my last breath.
एंड स्त्री में तो आप हो ही, स्त्री 2 में भी हो, लेकिन आप भेड़िया में भी थे. So you're like, again, as you know, you're like that main link, and we know you're going to be there in Bhedia too, because obviously like you guys are connected, you guys are related. So can you tell us something about Bhedia too, because the movie like theater में इतना, लेकिन online जब when it released, I'm sure you must have seen people were regretting कि अरे यार, why did we not watch
Yeah,
this in
yeah,
theater?
yeah. I strongly feel that Bhedia has got that cult status. You know, sometimes films don't work on the box office, though it did decently, but it did not get the kind of money which probably we were all expecting. It was a good film, and I only feel that such films, you know, जब टेलीविजन पे आता है और ऑनलाइन, जैसा आपने बोला कि OTT पे लोगों ने बहुत देखा, बहुत प्यार दिया, तो भेड़िया 2 में भी आई थिंक अब क्या होगा, जो एक्सपेक्टेशन है ना वो बहुत बड़ी होगी. एंड आई एम डाइंग टू रीड द स्क्रिप्ट. आई बीन कॉलिंग निरेन भाई, आई थिंक वरुण हैज बीन कॉलिंग निरेन भाई टू अंडरस्टैंड कि क्या करने वाले हैं, लेकिन ये लोग बड़े सीक्रेटिव हैं यार, कुछ बताते ही नहीं है. बट या आई होप कि जल्दी से जल्दी हमें वो स्क्रिप्ट मिले एंड वी स्टार्ट शूटिंग फॉर दैट फिल्म.
In Stree 2, your scenes with Akshay Kumar, they have gone viral, and
Yeah.
people are loving it. And then Amar Kaushik gave an interview कि, you know, it was like all improv, सब तुम लोग ने decide किया था, and where you sit on his lap or sit near him, and it was unexpected. Like, yes, there were rumors कि Akshay is there, but no one knew that again you will be the one who is there. So just tell me, how was the experience of working with him? And like, there are theories that Akshay will be like the Thanos-like villain in horror comedy universe. So what do you have to say about those theories also?
Yeah. I mean, I think Akshay sir, I have been a huge fan of him since a very young age. And खिलाड़ियों खिलाड़ी, सबसे बड़ा खिलाड़ी, Mr. Mrs. खिलाड़ी, all his films I've watched, अफलातून, मोहरा, you know, everything. And then कीमत बोल के एक फिल्म थी, वो भी देखी है मैंने. मतलब मैं अक्षय सर की सारी फिल्में देखता था. एंड देन कॉमेडी में तो उन्होंने फाड़ दिया है, लाइक आई थिंक हेरा फेरी, आवारा पागल दीवाना, you know, गरम मसाला, all of those movies, वेलकम. So I've been a huge fan of his comedy, and I used to always wonder कि वो करते कैसे हैं. And then I realized that he has a Delhi humor, which I also have because I'm from Delhi myself. So when Amar bhai told me that, you know, Akshay sir is going to do the cameo, I was very excited because I knew that now I'm going to play a comic role with Akshay sir, and to play his Mummu, I think I'm very satisfied. You know, I'm now at par with शिल्पा शेट्टीज एंड रवीना टंडन एंड कटरीना कैफ. मैं भी उनकी ज़िंदगी का एक बहुत अहम हिस्सा हूँ, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट आई गॉट दैट पार्ट, एंड आई एम वेरी ग्लैड दैट ही इज़ सच अ सुपरस्टार, बट ही इज़ अ वेरी कोलैबोरेटिव एक्टर. It just felt very easy, it felt very breezy because he just came on the set and we were like house on fire. तू बोल क्या से करना है, अच्छा तू ये लाइन बोल दे, मैं ये बोल देता हूँ. You know, the way he's like, he's so spontaneous. I just loved being his Momo. And Akshay Kumar kissed me, guys.
Right. And you know, like, there's this debate going on between Rajkumar and Shraddha Kapoor fans ki Stree kiski movie hai, it belongs to whom. But you being like one of the main characters in the movie, what do you think? Like, who does Stree 2 actually belong to?
Stree 2 belongs to Amar Kaushik, guys. मतलब चाहे कितना भी लड़ लो, कुछ भी कर लो, ये मतलब ये सब फालतू की बातें हैं. कौन क्रेडिट पे लड़ना, ये सब चीज़ें क्या फ़ायदा उसका, बिकॉज द डायरेक्टर इज द कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप. एंड रिमेंबर दैट एनी फिल्म, एनी गुड परफॉर्मेंस, वॉट एवर यू गाइज वॉचिंग, इट इज़ बिकॉज ऑफ द डायरेक्टर, बिकॉज ही कैन कीप द टीम कनेक्टेड. Stree 2 इज़ अ टीम फिल्म, इट्स एन ensemble फिल्म, इट्स अ सबकी प्यार और मेहनत से बनाई गई है. सो मन मत करो यार, लड़ाई वड़ाई मत करो, जस्ट एन्जॉय द मोमेंट एंड लेट अस ऑल्सो एन्जॉय द मोमेंट. उसमें क्यों बेकार में तड़का डालने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, कोई फ़ायदा है नहीं. हम लोग वैसे ही जाएंगे, वापस शूट करेंगे, आपको उतना ही मज़ा आएगा. तो मतलब यू नो, जस्ट शो अस सम लव यार, दैट्स इट. नो हेटर्स, नो स्पेस फॉर हेटर्स है.
And Rana Naidu का season 2 आ रहा है, and what do you have to say about it?
Oh, it's a very, very special character. I think Jaffa is one of my favorite characters because he has gone through so much in life. I think it's one of the few characters which talks about child abuse in men, and it happens. It's a rampant situation. And when I got to do the character, I was very, very nervous because I knew कि एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो मैंने कभी ज़िंदगी में झेली नहीं है. लोग ज़्यादा बात भी नहीं करते हैं, तो वो करने में एक संतुष्टि मिलती है. आई फील सेटिस्फाइड दैट यू नो आई कैन गो इनटू realms like Jana goes into realms, like I as an Abhishek Banerjee can go into realms of such a character and probably live it and see that journey. And Jaffa has moved on, and Jaffa is trying to find a life, and that's what you're going to see in Rana Naidu.
Abhishek, you have an amazing comic timing. I think everyone knows that, and your characters they show. But when you play villains, I think that's menacing. They just give you chills. Okay.
Yeah.
Like obviously there's Hathoda Tyagi, and then your performance in Apurva. I don't think I've ever been like
वेदा नहीं देखी आपने?
देखी उधर ही आ रही थी मैं. It's like no, I think your like the character in Apurva, I think that creeped me out the most. Like मरने आ रहा है ये इंसान, but इसको फिर भी हवस नहीं आ रही इसकी. So it's like like what draws you towards these characters, and like will your fans, your audience will get to see you playing such intense character more?
Yeah, I would love to. I would love to play villainous, or I mean, I see the thing is that I'm an actor. My job is to perform characters, no matter what they are. I don't judge my characters, and when I'm playing such a creep like Sukha in Apurva, I only want to tell the world that this is how you look when you are creepy. So that's what, like, I think if I can communicate that to the boys who are trying to act smart with girls, who have those kind of stupid intentions, who think that they have power, you really don't, and that shows in the kind of characters I do. You're powerless, and in Apurva really managed to kill Sukha. In Veda managed to bring down an empire of Jitendra Pratap Singh. Power lies with the people who want to show the way, not with people who are regressive.
But still, in Veda also your character is educated. Okay, like उसको पता है डार्विन का क्या theory था, जो भी था, he is aware. Okay, he's taking updates कि किधर क्या हो रहा है. But still the thinking is so horrible, like so pathetic. But and with the way you play, like there's no regret on your face when you say कि मारो इसको या जो भी करो, like नाक रगड़ो. The way you say it, it's like गुस्सा भी आता है, but you're like this person is educated. Why? Like it just shows that no matter if you're educated, it's all there in the mind. अगर तुम नहीं सुधरोगे. So how do you play these characters with such ease?
Yeah, because I think as human beings, everybody is taking it so easy. When somebody is doing such kind of heinous acts, they never think that they are doing something wrong. If you ask them, they are heroes. If you ask Jitendra Pratap Singh, he fought for culture, but he doesn't understand that some cultures are outdated, some theories are outdated, and that's what the problem is. The problem is not with Jitendra Pratap Singh. The problem is the society which enables such people to have that kind of power, who believe in such regressive theories of the world. So yeah, I mean that's what makes it easy for me, because I don't treat them as villains. I treat them as humans who are misguided.
That's all with the question and answers, Abhishek, and thank you so much for your time, and
Thank you.
congratulations again.
Thank you.